Peter, not your average guy on the Never Mind Your Own YouTube channel. It's my last day on Cyprus. It's really nice weather, nice sun, and everything looks so much better with the sun. I drove to a hilltop. I couldn't get any further. I can walk up there, but it's quite muddy. I cannot drive further. I think the highest peak is into that direction, but I can just fly and see what's going on here. I think this is beautiful area, so I think it must look good on the drone. What I would like to do, and it's a little bit weird to do that on the last mission, but I want to see if I can record in ultra, not 720p but 1080. Everything looks good, so
take off. Point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Like this, I have a good view on my. Hello. It's a little bit at an angle, but I'm not going to change that right now. I have a good view on my display, so I'm not going to use my goggles. All right. Then what we're going to do, we're just going to fly forward and higher. Although I have to say that down here there is a nice valley. So why don't we just first go like... I have to put my antennas, I'm sorry. Put the camera down a little bit more. Down that valley here where it leads to it's nice and green. So where is this going? It's going all the way over there, and in the distance I see what seems to be like a house or something, and when I turn more to the right you can see high peaks over there, and I think from now on I may want to go up so we can see the environment better. I'm almost losing my signal, but I'm in the car, so that is not surprising. I think I have to do it like this. And this is also high peaks. Let's go up there. We're gonna climb the mountain. It's really a high wind, hard wind. Oh, now you want it to be like that, of course, and I want to go up, up, up. And this is the look. I think this one is the highest peak, but we can have a look if that is really so. Should be out there somewhere. The signal is giving a little bit of trouble, so I'm higher than the peak. So this is about the highest local peak, and if we then peek around a little bit, like this, if it wants to cooperate. I'm losing signal. Hello, hello. It does not mean I lose control, so I keep turning as bad as it goes, and it seems it does do that. I think it's a highest peak. I haven't seen everything because it was giving me troubles. Alright, then let's fly here. There's even a house, and then I'm gonna lose signal again. Come on, I'm flying in my own direction. Whoa, there's so much wind. And then there is that peak ahead of me. Should be that one, isn't it? Yeah. So it says I'm heading home like straight, but I am in the right part of my screen if I'm alright, but whatever. And now the car is out of view, so I don't know what this map is doing. Let's have a look out there. Wow, this wind. I can hear it now. This is the road that I drove to get here. There's an antenna over there, which we will just pass. And then we have a village in the valley. Well, this is Cyprus, people. Sunny Cyprus. And I know there is beach out somewhere. I didn't pay attention to it, but oh, do you see this peak in the distance? That's where the monastery was. And now we're looking almost towards my village, like now in the middle, up somewhere out there. Yeah, now we can see the sea. Now we can see the sea. Well, is it nice or what? And I remember on the map that I saw a quarry somewhere. I don't know if it's this one down in the view, but maybe it's more into this direction. Let me have a look around, okay? Because I think it's out here somewhere.
Flight altitude reached.
Yeah, alright. Or maybe this. No. no, it's not this. And then maybe over there, that one, that yellowish area. Maybe it's maybe a little bit far to go there, or what? With this wind, nah. I'm at 58, and signal is getting weak already. So I think no, it's not possible. I cannot do that. So I have to turn and get back home. Come on, come on, come on. It is losing signal. Yeah, this mount. Yeah, okay, I get it. I think this mountain is in between. Yeah, that's impossible. It's going back on the route, which is okay, but I got the signal already, so I can do it manually now. And I'm seeing a bird out here. Should be on the way. Now it's flying away. It says, I'm done here. Okay, so well, that's about it, I guess. It says I am more over here. Yeah, alright, I can see it already. Alright, well, that's beautiful Cyprus. I hope you like it. And we say goodbye to Cyprus. I don't know if I will be able to make another flight. I don't know if I will be able to make another flight. I guess I would, but not like where you see something different. So this is my Cyprus adventure. I hope you like it. If so, I might give you the suggestion to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I have really no idea what I'm going to do next, but you will find out one day. See ya.